Good Tuesday morning, everyone, and thanks for joining me here on Jim Scott's Weather Desk. We're starting the day off with mild temperatures across Indiana and Ohio, and overall the weather is fairly quiet this morning, but that quiet start won't last forever. As we move through the day, and especially into tonight, we'll begin to see a pattern turn more active, with rain chances gradually increasing and the potential for thunderstorms moving into the region overnight. In fact, a larger storm system developing across the country will begin influencing our weather, setting the stage for periods of rain, gusty winds, and unsettled conditions heading into the middle of the week. So while today starts fairly calm, we'll be watching the build-up towards a stormy pattern by Wednesday, when the chances of widespread rain and thunderstorms increase. Let's take a closer look at how today unfolds and what you can expect over the next few days. Before we continue with the forecast, I want to mention something important for viewers here in Indiana. For those interested in participating in the Indiana statewide tornado drill scheduled for today, and latest plan has been released by the National Weather Service out of Indianapolis. During the drill at 10:15 a.m., outdoor warning sirens and the NOAA weather radio may sound just like they would during an active tornado warning. This drill is designed to give schools, businesses, and families a chance to practice their severe weather safety plans and make sure everyone knows where to go and what to do if a tornado warning is issued. So if you hear the sirens today during the scheduled drill time at 10:15 a.m., remember it's only a test, but it's still a great opportunity to review your severe weather safety plan. Taking a few minutes to prepare today can make a big difference during a real severe weather situation. As we move through today, we'll continue to see a strengthening southwesterly flow across Indiana and Ohio, and that's helped bringing the warm, moist air northward straight out of the Gulf of Mexico. Because of that, temperatures will climb into the middle to upper 70s today, which is quite warm for this time of the year. Along with the warmer temperatures, humidity levels will also increase, with dew points rising into the 60s, making the air feel noticeably more spring-like. We'll see a mix of sunshine and clouds through the day, but the key thing to watch is the increasing moisture and the energy building in the atmosphere. This warm and humid air mass will help set the stage for a thunderstorm developing later tonight and continuing into Wednesday. So while today may feel very warm and fairly quiet, the atmosphere is gradually priming itself for a more active weather pattern heading into the middle of the week. Let me break down what you can expect over the next 3 days. We'll start today mostly dry with mostly cloudy skies across the region. Temperatures will warm up nicely, reaching around 72 degrees towards the afternoon. Winds will become from the southwest at around 7 to 11 miles per hour, and a few wind gusts of 21 miles per hour. There is only a slight chance of rain later in the afternoon, mainly between 3 and 4 p.m., and overall rain chances remain fairly low, only about 20% chance. So for the most area, Tuesday will stay warm, breezy, and mainly dry. Conditions begin to change Tuesday night as a strong storm system approaches the region. We'll see a chance of rain and thunderstorms developing during the evening, and then rain becoming more widespread after 2 a.m. Overnight temperatures stay very mild with a low around 64 degrees. Winds will remain from the south at 8 to 11 miles per hour and gust up to 24 miles per hour. Rain chances increase to 90%, with rainfall generally between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch, although higher amounts could be possible with these thunderstorms. Wednesday looks to be the most active weather day of the week. Expect periods of rain, possibly thunderstorms throughout the day. Temperatures will still be fairly mild with highs around 69 degrees, but it'll be breezy and southwest winds 14 to 16 miles per hour with wind gusts around 31 miles per hour. Rain chances stay very high at 100%, and rainfall totals could reach 3/4 to even 1 inch around the areas. As the system moves through, rain chances gradually decrease overnight, and we'll see a chance of rain before 2 a.m., followed by cloudy skies and turning much colder. Temperatures will drop significantly overnight with a low of 31 degrees. Winds will shift out of the northwest at 13 to 15 miles per hour, with wind gusts as high as 28 miles per hour, so making it feel noticeably cooler by Thursday morning. Behind the storm system will finally clear things out. Thursday will bring sunny skies, but much cooler temperatures with only a high reaching around 44 degrees. So we go from spring-like warmth back to more typical March weather. Thursday night stays mostly cloudy with overnight lows around 36 degrees. Before we wrap up the forecast, I want to take a moment to talk about something very important and staying weather alert, especially as we move into a more active weather pattern. When storms are in the forecast, it's important to have multiple ways to receive weather warnings. The first and one of the most reliable tools is your NOAA weather radio. These radios receive alerts directly from the National Weather Service and can wake you up during the night with a warning issue. Another great option is to enable wireless emergency alerts on your smartphone. These alerts can be sent automatically for things like tornado warnings, flash flood warnings, and other life-threatening situations. You can also stay informed by monitoring trusted weather sources, including National Weather Service, local emergency management agencies, and updates right here on Jim Scott's Weather Desk. If severe weather does develop, remember the basic safety rule. Know where you would go in event of a warning. The safest place during severe storms, tornado warnings, is usually the basement, or if you don't have one, a small interior room on the lowest level of your home, away from any windows. Taking a few minutes now to prepare can make a big difference when severe weather approaches. So stay weather aware, stay informed, and always have a plan before storms arrive. And I'll keep you updated as I can. Stay safe and have a good day. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.